Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. And today is my everyday makeup basically routine when I go out to like eat or go out to work. Basically, just putting makeup on my face when I do have makeup on. Today I did my brows. I did my brows with the Sephora brow pencil and the 24-hour brow center from Benefit. Those are my two things for brows today. I know I haven't been doing my brows lately. I've just been putting brow gel and that's it. But today I was like, let me go back into what I used to always do. So anyways, I'm using my Uma Beauty contour and highlight stick. I'm actually using this as foundation and highlight, aka where I highlight. So this is the contour part. This, I don't think I have names. I'm like, it's a sculpt and strobe. Okay. And this is in Black Pearl. This is the deepest one. This is the highlighting part. I'm just gonna put that under my eyes where I highlight and put it on top of my eyes for a little sparkle. You're like, Kayla, that's not how you're supposed to use it. But it's how I use it. Cause, you know, that's how I use it every single day. I just do that, and then I also put it where I'm supposed to highlight too. Nose in the middle, right there, a little dot right there. Okay, I do that, and then I use the contour side to sculpt the face and also put color in the face. I actually did this on my TikTok. If you guys didn't see it, I will link it down below. And just sculpt the face. I usually blend this out with freaking brush, but today we're testing out sponges. That's why this is on a Friday, on a first impression Friday, because testing out a sponge that I haven't used before. This is the Ulta Duo sponge. I am using this one. As you can see by the fog on the thing, it has already been wet. So let's do this. First, okay, it's doing something. I'm using the under the sponge to do the rest of my face. It actually is blending. I don't know. I just like a brush because it's like more easier for me. Just more quicker instead of all this pounding on my face. Okay, now back into the end sponge, do my eyes. And then I'm using the sponge also to do my powder and put it on my face. That's gonna be something because I haven't done that in like a while. Like I don't know why, I just don't do it. A lot of people do it. A lot of makeup artists use sponges and stuff. I'm just a brush person. I don't know. So far the sponge is really good. I mean, this is a cheap sponge compared to like the Beauty Blender, which is like $20. This was like $7.99 for two. So, you know, just like got everything on my nails and on my hands. I'm just like, this is why we use brushes. It's nothing on my hands. Okay, powder. We have the Hourglass powder. You guys know I love the Hourglass powder. It's like one of the high-end powders that I really, really like, that I just hope doesn't go anywhere. The Veil translucent powder. Because you know, Marc Jacobs is no longer, Marc Jacobs Beauty is no longer in Sephora. It's like, you know? It's like, why? I don't want my gray hair to be like darkened because it's all over my fingers. Ew, it's working. For mascara, I did Benefit Bad Girl Bang. You guys know I love me a mini mascara. Put it in my bag and go. So I've just been using this or the Charlotte's Tilbury. Put it in my bag and go, and that's it. That's basically what I'm doing. Just like quick, this, that, and third. If I'm traveling, like if I'm at my friend's house or at my boo's house, I don't have this, obviously. I don't have the Hourglass powder. I usually have Sephora one. So that's basically what I've been having in my bag to go, is those products. And that's been my everyday like makeup routine. If not a regular lip, like a bland pear like lip with just lip balm on, it's usually this. This is the Correlation lip gloss from Mented. It just gives like nude lips, but like a little color. Let me see, just blends in with everything, just neutral. And that's what I like doing. So this is my final look. Hair down. This. I'm ready for brunch. Because that's basically where I'm going. I'm going to brunch right now. So overall, this is a good sponge. It does the job. It does powder really well. It does it doesn't double up inside like it get big. It just is when you first have it, it's stiff, so you do have to wet it to get this bouncy texture. But overall, this is really, really good. This is really, really good. And I'm not mad at it. I like it. It's cool. It's fluffy. Nice. But again, I don't really like sponges. Because, see, I just got all that off of my nails. And I just touched it. And now it's like back on my nails. Like the foundation is back on my nails. And just, I don't like sponges. I'm more of a brush girl to keep my hands clean. But fast. It is fast. And it does work. And oh my gosh, you see that? You see the light hit, man? Light hit my parts. And that's what I like. I like that it's just, it's like that subtleness from the contour stick. And then it just like matches everything. And then when I'm putting the contour stick with the highlight, it creates my skin tone. So it's like some parts where there's contour, some parts skin tone, some parts where it's just highlight. And that's what I really like. And then I'm contouring my lip and just putting that lip gloss on. It's just making it look juicy and beautiful. And I love that. I just love it. I love it. And that's the reason why this is my everyday routine. And testing out the Ulta sponges is a very cheap alternative to the beauty blenders. Yeah, the beauty blenders is always soft before you wet it, but $20 for a sponge, we're kind of over that. Go get you some Ulta sponges. It's cheap. And then also, if you're also Points Rewards member, you probably get it for free if you have the points. So check them out. That's it for this review on the sponges, and get ready with me I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces. A video right here, video right here, head right here. Go check it out. And go check out my TikToks, because there's more.